Hey, you can have all the website traffic in the world, but if you don't have a strong, clear, and compelling message, then you're gonna lose. As they say in marketing, if you confuse, you lose. Is your marketing message clear enough to convert website visitors into paying clients? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to dial in and create that marketing message that you need to get more clients for your private practice. John Clarke, licensed therapist and business coach at privatepracticeworkshop.com. I'm gonna show you exactly how to create your marketing message today, and I can't wait. Let's dive in. So what is your marketing message? Well, your marketing message, in other words, your copy or copywriting, is the words that you use to tell people about what you do, to create a compelling argument with them as to why they should sign up to work with you, and then to call them to action, to actually start working with you. Now, your marketing message tells consumers in plain language how you help, who you help, and the outcome that you help people get. I'm gonna give you a really handy formula for this, okay? So you're gonna wanna write this down. So the formula is, we use blank method to help blank kinds of people or our avatar achieve blank the kind of result or ideal outcome. So again, for example, we use EMDR to help first responders break free from their past. Imagine how much more compelling that is if you're talking to even other therapists about what you do or physicians about what you do. Someone asks you what you do at a dinner party and you say something as compelling as those words versus, oh yeah, I'm a therapist and yeah, I do, some anxiety work and also some other stuff and I'm down on 24th Street. You confuse people, you lose people. It dilutes what could be a really powerful and compelling marketing message. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you an extremely powerful way to actually start writing copy for your website. You're first of all gonna sit down and think of your ideal client avatar. Any good marketing is gonna be based off of an ideal client avatar. An avatar is ideally a real client that you've worked with and are working with that was kind of the perfect client for your practice. The kind of client where you sit down and you look at your calendar for the week and you think, yeah, I'm really looking forward to that session. Or you sit down and think, man, I wish I had 20 clients just like this. The reality is you might have a few different client avatars, so you just need to pick one for this exercise. So in this case, let's say that we're working with a 32-year-old female who works in technology, who is coming and saying, I've experienced trauma, I'm experiencing anxiety, sadness, depression, maybe I'm drinking too much, I work a lot, and that might be a problem as well. My relationships are unfulfilling. So now what you're gonna do is take a piece of paper, or let's say like a Google Doc, and you're gonna have a few columns, well, just 2 columns, before and after. This is to signify what their life was like before and after working with you. Then on the left-hand side, you're gonna have 3 rows. Those rows are gonna say have, feel, and then is or are. What does the person have? What do they feel? And who are they? Then you're just gonna sit down and try to brainstorm and sketch out and fill in every single block of this chart now. So what might this actually look like? Well, let's take a look at the example I've created. So what do they have before? Well, they have relationships that aren't fulfilling. What do they have after? Well, they have relationships that work. They have fulfilling and meaningful connections in their life again. Before, maybe you have a job that you hate, and then you have a job that you love and you're thriving at work again. What do you feel? Well, you go from feeling hopeless to hopeful. Most of the time when I create a tagline, like for your homepage over the hero image of your website, this is a great place to create a tagline or even a sub-tagline. Who were they before? They were a tentative person, and then after, they were really learning to own their space. Now the key is just to play around with this exercise, right? Fill out as much of it as you can based on this avatar, put as many words on the page as you can, and then step back and kind of see what stands out. This is a really powerful exercise for creating your actual website copy, for creating any marketing collateral for your website or any other place where you talk about your business. Again, the key is to think about the transformation in the client's life, the before and after. Hey, by the way, if you're watching this video right now, that means the doors to our Business Made Human Mastermind community are about to open. They only open twice a year, so you don't want to miss this opportunity. This is a chance to work with me and a small group of like-minded peers in a weekly mastermind community. We're also going to get into the nitty-gritty. I'm actually going to teach you step by step how to build or reinforce and improve your existing business using lessons like the one we use today. If you're interested, head to the link in the description to get on the waiting list for Business Made Human. You don't want to miss this chance to jump into this amazing program. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. What did you think about this exercise? What did you come up with? Let me know the marketing collateral or the copy or the tagline you came up with in the comments below. I'll respond to every single comment, and I'll even give you some feedback on your ideas. Thanks again for watching. John Clarke, business coach at privatepracticeworkshop.com. I'll see you in the next one.